Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will be looking at how to use Vertex tax software. Whether you are a small business owner, an e-commerce seller, or managing a large enterprise, Vertex is a powerful tool that helps you calculate, collect, and file sales tax accurately without the hassle. Tax compliance can be one of the most complex aspects of running a business. With different tax rates, exemptions, and constantly changing laws, it is easy to make mistakes. However, Vertex takes the guesswork out of tax compliance by automating the entire process, ensuring your business stays compliant while saving time and reducing errors. Vertex integrates with popular e-commerce platforms, accounting software, and ERP systems, making it easy to manage sales tax across multiple channels. With real-time tax calculation, Vertex ensures that every transaction applies the correct tax rate based on location, product type, and customer details. This eliminates manual calculations and reduces the risk of errors that could lead to penalties or audits. One of Vertex's key features is its ability to handle tax exemptions seamlessly. Businesses selling to tax-exempt customers, such as nonprofits or resellers, can store exemption certificates digitally, apply them automatically, and ensure compliance during audits. The platform also provides detailed reporting, making it easy to track exemptions and tax liabilities in different jurisdictions. Filing tax returns is another area where Vertex excels. Instead of manually filing in multiple states, businesses can automate tax return submissions, ensuring payments are made on time. Vertex keeps tracks of due dates and regulatory changes, preventing missed deadlines and fines. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a complete understanding of how Vertex works and how you can use it to streamline your tax processes. So let us get started. Step 1. Setting up your Vertex account. Before using Vertex, you need to set up an account tailored to your business. A proper setup ensures accurate tax calculations and compliance, preventing costly mistakes down the road. Creating your account. To start using Vertex tax software, follow these steps. Visit vertexinc.com and click on Sign Up. Provide your business details including business name, locations, tax identification number. Choose the Vertex solution that suits your business. Vertex Cloud, ideal for small businesses and online sellers. Vertex O Series, designed for enterprises with complex tax requirements. Verify your email and complete the registration process. Configuring security settings. To protect your account, enable security measures such as two-factor authentication, adds an extra layer of protection to prevent unauthorized access. Role-based access control. Assign users permissions to limit access based on roles within your organization. Additional account setup. Once your account is created, complete your company profile by adding business locations to determine applicable tax rates. Business entity type, LLC, corporation, sole proprietor, or compliance. Industry type to apply relevant tax codes. Tax ID validation to ensure smooth reporting and compliance with tax authorities. Payment details to facilitate automated tax payments. A correct initial setup is crucial for avoiding tax compliance issues down the line. Double check all entered information to prevent errors and ensure seamless tax calculations from the start. Step 2. Integrating Vertex with your business systems. To fully utilize Vertex, you must integrate it with your existing accounting or e-commerce platforms. This integration ensures that tax calculations are accurate and automated across all sales channels, reducing manual input errors. Connecting Vertex to your software. Vertex integrates with various accounting and e-commerce platforms, ensuring seamless tax calculations across your sales channels. Log in to your Vertex dashboard. Navigate to the Integrations section. Choose your platform from the supported list: QuickBooks, Shopify, SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, NetSuite. Follow the guided setup instructions to connect your accounts. Custom integrations. For businesses using custom software, Vertex provides API integrations. Access Vertex API documentation. Work with your IT team to configure real-time tax calculations. Perform test transactions to ensure data accuracy. Regularly monitor API updates and security patches. Testing and verifying integrations. Once integrated, run test transactions to verify tax calculations. Check proper sales tax applications for different states. Exemption handling. Accuracy in tax reporting. Compatibility across sales channels. A successful integration ensures real-time tax accuracy across all business systems. Regularly test and update integrations for best performance and avoid potential discrepancies in tax calculations. Step 3. Automating tax calculation. Automating tax calculations reduces manual errors and ensures compliance with up-to-date tax rates. By leveraging Vertex automation features, businesses can maintain consistency and accuracy in tax reporting. Configuring tax calculation settings. Go to Tax Calculation Settings in the dashboard. Enable real-time tax calculation. Assign product tax codes to categorize items and services. Physical goods, example, electronics, clothing. Digital products, example, ebooks, software downloads. Services, example, consulting, subscriptions. Special tax exempt items, example, medical supplies, educational materials. Address validation. Vertex automatically validates customer address to determine the correct tax jurisdiction, ensuring compliance with local tax laws. Address validation helps prevent errors in jurisdiction-based tax rates. Handling multi-state sales tax. If you sell in multiple states, ensure tax calculations align with state-specific tax rates, country and city-level tax rules, destination-based versus origin-based tax rules, tax holidays and exceptions. Proper tax calculation setup ensures accurate transactions, reducing compliance risk and audit issues. Automated real-time tax calculations streamline business operations and prevent tax discrepancies. Step 4. Managing tax exemptions. Businesses selling to tax-exempt customers must manage exemption certificates efficiently to avoid miscalculations, legal penalties, and potential audits. Uploading exemption certificates. Navigate to exemption certificate settings. Upload customer exemption certificates. Set expiration alerts for renewals. Regularly update exemption documentation to avoid compliance issues. Handling an exemption-related audit. If audited, ensure you have all exemption certificates up to date. Maintain accurate exemption reports. Provide quick access to records for tax authorities upon request. Managing tax exemptions correctly prevent legal issues and ensures compliance with tax regulations. Keeping exemption certificates well documented helps businesses avoid tax liabilities and penalties. Step 5. Filing and remitting taxes automatically. Timely tax filing prevents penalties and ensures compliance with state and federal regulations. Automating this process through Vertex reduces administrative burdens and avoids late fees. Setting up automated tax filing. Go to Tax Filing Settings. Enable Vertex Returns. Choose your filing frequency, monthly, quarterly, annually. Based on state-specific requirements, configure automated tax remittance. Compliance reporting. Generate compliance reports to track filed returns and payment history. These reports help businesses maintain accurate records for audits and financial planning. Automating tax filing minimizes human errors and ensures tax obligations are met on time. Proactive compliance reporting helps businesses stay audit ready. Step 6. Advanced tax compliance strategies. Staying compliant with tax laws requires monitoring tax rates and understanding industry-specific rules to avoid financial and legal risk. Avoiding common tax compliant mistakes. Ensure accurate tax jurisdiction mapping. Regularly update businesses' locations and tax codes. Monitor changing tax laws and regulations. Stay informed about upcoming legislation changes that may affect tax calculations. Keeping up with tax changes and industry-specific requirements reduces the risk of compliance issues, fines, and audits. Tax compliance is a crucial aspect of running a business, but keeping up with constantly changing tax rates, regulations, and filing requirements can be overwhelming. Fortunately, Vertex Tax software simplifies this process by automating sales tax calculations, exemption management, and tax filing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.